In this video, we explore LTPO display technology and why it has become the premium standard for modern smartphones. Today's flagship devices face a dilemma. Users demand high-speed, smooth performance like 120 Hz displays, but they also require long-lasting battery life. The older standard, LTPS, provides that high-speed performance, but it also drains power significantly due to its constant demand on the battery. LTPO, which stands for low-temperature polycrystalline oxide, was developed to bring a better balance to these competing needs. While LTPO powers the display, the backplane is the critical component that controls how individual pixels function and draw power. LTPO uses a hybrid architecture, combining the high-speed switching of LTPS with the power efficiency of oxide materials. This hybrid design enables variable refresh rate, or VRR, which allows the screen to adapt its refresh rate instantly based on the content being displayed. When viewing static content, the refresh rate can drop as low as 1 Hz, with the oxide layer effectively holding the charge to save energy. By dynamically adjusting, LTPO displays can reduce power consumption by roughly 15% compared to standard LTPS technology. LTPO technology continues to evolve, with new generations expanding the range of refresh rates, supporting even higher performance. Because buyers now expect adaptive performance, LTPO has become the standard in flagship devices, offering a superior experience over older fixed-limit displays. As market demand grows, projections show that LTPO adoption will surpass older display technologies by 2025. Ultimately, LTPO defines the premium experience, successfully bringing together high-speed performance and essential energy efficiency.